Minister in charge, Public Health Engineering, Tongkhar today informed the House that there has been an escalation in the cost of pipes for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission, Ribhoi district.
The cost of pipe depends on the raw material, and when the raw material goes down, the cost of pipe also went down proportionately. So that's why this time, unfortunately, the escalation of the price of raw material went up. That's why the cost of pipe also went up, and maybe our contractor will suffer. But when the time comes that it goes down, then our contractor will enjoy that. I just want to tell honorable members that yesterday we have been able to approve the new rate of the SOR, and I hope that this will serve the purpose of our contractors and they will get better rate now.
Earlier, the opposition member belonged to All India Trinamool Congress Chief Whip George B. Lingdo seeking clarification from the PHE Minister on the abnormal increase in the cost of pipes said.
Just the other day we had a discussion on this regarding the escalation of cost from 11% to 35%. Now the reply, sir, that no extra amount has been paid as to 120C. So how is the department meeting this escalation, sir?
Sir, the question, it's clear that we have not paid any extra because the cost of pipe is included in the provision of the estimate. So that's why no extra cost has been incurred by the government.
Sir, I will still reiterate my submission because the estimate includes the cost for material and also for the labor charge. Now what is happening, sir, because of this escalation, within the estimate, the escalation of 11 to 35% is being deducted. For the material cost is being deducted from the labor charge. So the agreed upon SOR for labor charges is being violated and contractors are being denied of their labor charges that has been agreed upon as per SOR. Now, sir, one contractor that was supposed to get 35 lakh amount of bill, he got 15 lakhs less. Another contractor was supposed to get 15 lakh of bill, he got 6 lakhs less. So this deduction has happened to meet this escalation of the cost in the material, sir. So I again, sir, request the Honourable Minister to examine these anomalies and ensure that things are straightened out before things get out of hand, sir. And we don't deny people of the legal entitlements as per the estimated value and as per the sanction amounts. So it's not about enjoying, because the ones who have already done the work and suffered losses, because now they are not able to meet even the costs of their labor charges. Yeah. So that is what is required, sir. Yeah. Okay.